Welcome, explorers. I'm Mrs. John.
Oh, hi, Pocky. Which state will we talk about today? Thanks, Pocky. Ooh, that's a long one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 letters long. Let's spell it out. M, I, S, S, I, S, S, I, P, P, I. What does that spell? Mississippi. Where's Mississippi? Right here. Let's make the state of Mississippi out of Play-Doh. Here's the state of Mississippi, and here's the state of Mississippi. Pocky, what's the capital of Mississippi? Thanks, Pocky. Jackson. What does that spell? Jackson. Jackson is the capital of Mississippi. Let's color this flag of Mississippi. Thanks, Mr. Nussbaum.
Mississippi was the 20th state to join the Union. They joined in 1817. Their state cookie is a butter cookie. Let's count how many stars are on this flag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Did you find my baby chick hiding in this video? Thank you for visiting me in my kitchen today. Please come back soon. Subscribe to my channel for new videos every week. Please press the like button below this video and share with your friends. Have a lovely day.